Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love. Well guys, I'm going to get a line up right now, you know, for this hairstyle. Come check the one barber bigs, as you can see. Trending.
Come here. Come here.
One barber big.
Yeah. That is it, huh?
Yeah.
Cold, man.
So you feel the ear shape up. So this is the before you don't see it after. Right, big. One barber. So tell them to always come check me and them say this.
Real man, isn't it? Link up, you know, Cruz Barber and Spa. Check it. Isn't it? Don't know, you get the thing started.
Yeah, and it's in the pavilion. You know, so you know, Cruz Barber's upstairs, so you know the thing goes like this. One shot.
If you have the balls to mess with the channel.
Next thing. Barber.
No man, boy, stop man.
Give yourself a shout out.
No man, I'm watching it like this.
Yeah.
Nah,
Come hold it and see that hold it. Give yourself a shout out. Tell them to fight from the
You don't know, you know. Tell them so if you cut on the Instagram, you can find it.
Just tell them what it. Just tell them.
For the gram, you know.
Yeah.
One cruise cut. Right, that's up. That is it.
The one cruise cut. Probably.
One quick. Two. A food.
One barber bigs after. Sharp. You got barber bigs.
Thanks!
Yeah.
Like that.
There you go, weird up.
You see it there.
Yeah, man.
And it's done. The guy said today, fresh haircut. I eat that, the barber big said that. Yeah. Yes guys, so it's been raining as well. It's been raining, but this camera here shine. Well guys, as you can see, pure rain, you know, so the rain cancels today's mission. Today I was going to head in Trenchtown, but you know it's pure rain, same with pure rain, you know, so rain cancel the mission today, you know, for building the fence for the road chef, you know, and look at that, road chef, they said he want to go on the road, go do some work as well too, you know, so today was the day he was going to do some work on road chef fence, because he said he's going to go on the road tomorrow, you know, to do some construction work so he can get a little funds in his pocket, you know, so I guess now, you know, tomorrow, you know, road chef is going to be on the road doing some work, you know, because today was going to be the day we do some work on road chef fence, you know, but the rain now stop all of that for today. And then we're not going to be able to do any of that work tomorrow, because road chef is going to be going on the road to put in some work, you know, so that's how it is most time, guys, you know, because as I say, this is a volunteer charity that we're doing, so you know, most time the guys them get a roast, you know, to go on the road to do some construction work, you know, so you have to let them go and do that so them can make ends meet. So that is what worship is going to be doing tomorrow, you know. So we give thanks for that. At least now he can have a money to put in his pocket, you know, because you know the thing got rid of job vacancy here in Jamaica, you know. So yes, man. But boy, it's raining heavy today, so I'm gonna head back home, you know, and call it a day. And them say it's a all day rain. Whole country rain, under rain right now, you know. So bad today. But the reason why I never check the weather, I don't really watch news, to be honest, you know, weather news. Most time if them say keen on rain I go fall, most of the time it happen, and then somebody will tell me about it, but I don't watch news, you know, too much bad news, you know. That's what all news brings, bad news. I don't really watch news now, weather. I just move with the nature, yeah. So call me the Stone Age man, you know, living like them old time days, you know. When I no TV, no radio, so I know no updates, so I just go with the flow. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going with the flow. So the flow now we're under pure rain. Wow, flooding. Hey, you're flashing me up like that, brother. Why when it rains in Jamaica you have to get so much flash floods. I'll show you how I'm going. Come back another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. Who remember that child growing up as a child singing that song when it's raining? And you don't want the rain to fall because you want to go somewhere. It's either you want to go play football, you want to go play or something. You start to sing the rain song. Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. But this rain ain't going nowhere. It's gonna stay here for a couple of days. A lie.
Come, my friend, come, we have to
A lie. A lie.
See me right just come up in on the field.
Yes.
See me here?
See me
And
here.
Andrea said she never see. And she run
See me
here.
here.
She never see.
Come
She
defend
never
her.
see. Today, me
Come.
stop her with your Andrea.
Come defend her there.
Me and you stop her because you're no friend.
Look, see there. Look, so I go on to
No, my friend a come. See my friend a come there.
Come
See my
defend
friend a
her.
come there.
Guys, right now it's on.
Go on in your yard, Andrea, because you're not good. Go on in your yard.
You guys, imagine it. Andrea, come defend me. She call her friend for me.
The man that push me, say, Andrea, see me, I put me here, I never see.
She not do nothing.
Tell me no, Tanya.
Me a vlogger, you know. So don't run come in the mix up right now.
Come here, my best friend, because we have to beat him. Today.
Andrea, come now. You make them beat me.
Today, man.
Come, Andrea.
Hey, now your friend.
No, we don't like her. Somewhere.
Keen on life in Jamaica. Andrea, take her. See how the dog a bag. Hey.
Our friend.
Huh?
Your farm is Julie.
No, she meet new friend. But look how you go well for her now. Which way she go now? Which? Alright, hey.
Them fancy. I Richard, you should have called, you know. But should have called.
See, look,
Richard.
see? How good is that now?
You're not good. That's who she want, guy. Yeah, that's who she want, guy. Yeah, she's not good.
Alright, yeah, my friend. Alright, take care.
You're not good.
Andrea, remember, you know, through me a stranger, I could be an angel. Well, blessed love, guys. Blessed love. You know, as you can see, the rain was falling, but the rain stopped now. You know, so as I say, the work was gonna go towards worship today, but the rain kind of stopped it and everything. So it's getting late now. So the worship is gonna go on the work tomorrow. You know, so at the same time, you know, remember our extended family Pablo. You know, most of you guys know Pablo. Remember the name Pablo, who's our extended family, who's a regular donor to the program. You know, he was in Jamaica at the other day, about 2 weeks ago. He was in Jamaica, but he was staying at a place called Mayfair. You know, but emergency, he have to leave Jamaica quite early. You know, so he did have an extra 2 days. You know, and him say, you know, I already spoke to them already. And said that he's going to hand over the 2 days to someone, which is, him called me and said, there's 2 days there, you can go and speak to them, you know, and accept that 2 days, you know, from him, from his goodness, you know, and that is so great. So right now I'm here up by, the place is called Mayfair. I know I've told Dee about this already a good while back, you know, so I'm going to go and make sure, say, I put my name down and make them know, say, yes, I'm the guy that Pablo said she get the 2 days that remaining. So how good is that? So I'm going to show you the place and show you what it's like, you know. So This is Mayfair. This is the entrance right here. You know, we call it Mayfair. You know, so it's called Mayfair Hotel. I know you probably see this already on one of my vlogs. You know, it have secret garden restaurant. So let me show you what it have. So there you go. It have a secret garden restaurant. It have a Julie Mango restaurant. You know, feng shui, spa, salon, pub, bar and grill, lobby, pool, and other sorts. You know, so that's what it have here. You know, so this is what the place is like. Beautiful, beautiful. So guys, so this is where I'm gonna be spending my 2 days whenever I'm ready. And you said the road out this one name Kingsway?
West Kings House Road.
Oh, West Kings House Road. West Kings House Road. So guys, so this is the place. Let me show you. So as you can see, the place is wet. It's been raining, so all of these places that you're looking at is Airbnbs, you know. So it's called Mayfair. You can check it out on your app. You know, and also over here you have a bar. There's a bar over here, right? Restaurant and bar as well. Oh, so this is the restaurant.
This is the restaurant.
Oh, so let me show them what's going on in the restaurant then. Alright, so guys, so hello. Oh, so this is the restaurant.
Yes, restaurant.
Let me take. Welcome. I'm a YouTube vlogger, so I'm just giving them an insight what's going on, you know. So Julie Mango.
Yes,
So guys, so this is the Julie Mango. What's it famous for?
For delicious food.
Varieties. Yes. Okay, so how many restaurants inside is? Two. So here's the number one.
Number one.
Not number two.
No, number one.
Alright then, I'm gonna take your word for it. You know, I really like the setup as well too. So what you have on the menu like for serve, for dishes? What you have for the menu? I just want to know what you guys always serve on a regular basis. So this, well, the camera now I can't see everything. But this, everything is here on a regular basis, right? Yeah.
We serve everything except breakfast.
Except breakfast.
At this time.
This time, so you get breakfast. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner.
So like how me I swim around. I'm a pescatarian, so you know say fish are my thing. Hello.
Yes, we sell old
Hello.
fish.
So mine, that's the owner?
Yes.
Okay.
Old fish.
Hello owner. Come.
I'm so sorry.
I'm a YouTube vlog. I'm staying here as well too, you know, so I'm just giving an insight of what's going on. So if you can, you know, tell some more about you, what's going on here, you know, can give yourself.
We are Julie Mango Restaurant and we serve multi-cuisine meals, fresh meals and good meals.
Yeah.
And we're here to serve.
Okay. And I just heard this is the number one. Because there's two restaurants in here and I heard this is the number one. No, number two.
Great customer service.
Yeah.
Great people.
Yeah.
Great food. Yes.
Well, so far, I like the customer greeting I get already, you know. I like the greetings that I got already.
Don't only vlog, come and sit and eat.
No, I'm gonna come and sit and eat for sure. You're gonna come see me and sit and eat for sure.
Okay, no problem.
Because I'm gonna really know if it's really number one. Because I already eat up there already. Yes. So I need to eat here to see if it's really, really number one, you know. But I like the style, you know. The Julie Mango thing. So you have any menu with Julie Mango inside of it?
Yeah, that's the same on the menu.
Okay.
We have our Julie Mango sauce. Our signature drink is Julie Mango Mule.
What?
And you should try that. You should try that before you leave.
Listen, I'm definitely gonna try that. You know, when I finish my vlog, I'm gonna come here and try everything, and they're gonna see everything on the vlog, so they will know, and they will get the ratings. You know. So see there, guys. We here with a lovely this. So we are Julie Mango, not East Indian Mango.
No,
Julie Mango.
Julie Mango restaurant.
Yes.
Best mango. Best
Wow.
mango.
And Julie Mango nice, you know, they want to go to the restaurant, they have a nice. Because Julie Mango, what I was Julie?
Yeah.
Yeah, no beefy, no.
No East
But I
Indian.
remember wait me.
They don't like East Indian more.
No man, we like East Indian, but Julie Mango we say.
Yeah.
Correct, yes.
Imagine if it's an East Indian mango, you know?
We're not for East Indian.
East Indian.
No.
Work with the Jew.
I work with yes.
Alright guys, so whenever you check into Mayfair, you need to check out the
Mango
restaurant. Trust me. As an enter through the gate is on your left hand side, you can't miss it. There's only 2 restaurants here in the building. So this is the number 1. Can you pass? The first one says really the number 1 spot. They have to walk past 1 to go 2.
I don't think they walk past them because they got 2, you have to lose that. They play number 2, they really want number 6, number 1.
Alright, so you know I'm going to make you know what I'm going to have to try all this menu today. I'm going to try them special, I'm going to try them food after and let you guys know what I'm going to do.
Definitely.
All are welcome.
Yes, but I like when I'm very pleasant, I like that.
All are welcome.
Alright guys, so all are welcome. But our friend just called for me a while ago, you know. Them just called for me a while ago, you know. So I'm going to see what I go on later. Alright then, so I'm going to walk and show them what I go on inside the building. You know, my YouTube channel called Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life?
Yeah, in Jamaica. So you can go and check it out. So when you're going to see this vlog drop, you know, you're going to see a nice clean self. Of course. It's good quality. My vlog is about, I do charity where I help out people. You know, I do adventure videos, you know, Airbnb tours and
with
stuff.
that K, right?
Yeah, Kino.
Kino Life.
Yeah. At the top, right? So that is it right there. So don't just look subscribe also.
Alright.
Because I'm not soon self on it. You know. So no one giving an Instagram or TikTok a shout out.
I don't have a
Come on, Julie.
Come meet the fun and beautiful staff here. Loving people, good environment, good food, and some laughs.
Have some laugh. Because I like the laugh already. And I like the way they decorate it with all the mango leaf, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
And take a look at our kitchen area, our photo booth.
Okay. Come here. Come on the camera for me, please. I'm sure them want to go on. Let me go swing from the swing song. Right now I'm going to swing, guys. You see there? This is the swing. Right here. Oh, you can't swing. Oh, you can't stand up. See this. So guys, when you come here, you can take picture spot. So you get the word, you know, so you was at Julie Mango, you know, so this is me and Julie Mango. So I was here. Kino Life in Jamaica was here. Nice. Have a look. So much, right? Green. Alright, yeah, you see that. So I'm match overall. You see that, so I'm match overall. Green. So Julie Mango. And in here, as you can see, it's very comfortable. Very nice. It's very attractive, as you can see. Yeah.
You know, we can turn the AC on. If you prefer the fan, we can give it the fan. Anything you want.
Anything.
Yeah.
We work with you guys.
Thank you so much. That's so much of a customer thing, right? And the fridge is well stocked of everything you can think of.
Everything.
You don't miss nothing.
Now we have a top shelf.
We have
Everything. When I see the NSC, make Menacey. Them say NSC get out of any situation, anytime, you know, so I go on. But they got the top shelf liquor, they got the wine, and they got the vodka, you know. Alright then, you see there. So ladies, thank you so much for your time. You know, you're going to see me to eat here, right? And then you're going to know what's up. Remember you come for me, you know. Remember you come for me, you know. Of course. So if it wasn't you, we would have reached here, right? Talk the thing, yeah, that's the love, guys. We love our in-ear stay. You know, very, you know, attractive, as I can see. You can also sit outside to eat, you know. So this is called Mayfair. So let me show you some more. I like it. It's really comfortable. It's cozy, you know. So you can sit anywhere you want to sit and eat. So imagine if you want to sit 2 single chairs, you want to sit on a swing chair. How good is that? Wow. Julie Mango. So what I love about this place is look. What I love about this place, look at this garden here. You know, the place is so green as well too. Look at this garden over here. Oh, that bird might shit on me, you know. So also these are the rooms here upstairs as well, and across they got more rooms as well too across the building, you know. So these are some rooms with a lovely garden as well too here. So nice. Not even lying. Mayfair, right? Mayfair. So these are all rooms all the way back there. Blessed uncle. Yeah man, so these are all rooms here. So I'm just rolling through showing you what it's like. Yeah, so check out Kino Life in Jamaica. I'm a YouTuber. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I love this garden here. You got big ackee tree, as you can see. You know, quiet, nice, and it also have like a pool area as well too. Where you come and you can go to the pool. If you like to swim, you can swim. You do anything you want to do. You know, so Pablo, thank you so much, Pablo. You know, big up yourself. I really appreciate this. You know, so I haven't been in there to speak to them yet, so I just start to show you guys what the place look like. And then after I'll go inside and speak to them, you know, about the stay, and then I have to choose which day or when I want to come here to stay, you know. When time I run myself to rack, you know, because you know means I'm gonna work hard, so I'll put in the work and then take this vacay, you know. So this is the pool area here. So this is the pool area around here. You know, it's quiet now because you can see it's rain a lot. You know, so no one is really out because it's been raining a lot, guys. A lot. So the place is so nice. This is also rooms where you stay upstairs and also downstairs. Pablo, big up yourself, Pablo. You know, and you have a big almond tree here, you know. So this is where you can sit down and eat under the almond tree, right next to the pool area over there as well too. Wow, there's a pool here, and you can sit right under this big almond tree. This tree is so big. Check it out. This is an almond tree. Nice. So let me show you. Oh, Mayfair. So guys, so you can check out the so this is the pool area. Look at the pool. As I'm saying, you probably see the video as well too, where D, you know, I introduced D to up here as well too, and up there you got rooms as well to sit in here and look at the pool. Nice. 4 feet. You know, over here you have Appleton Estate. Hello. What's over there? Restaurant? Drink? Nothing. Okay. Oh, you see the Appleton Estate. Okay. So guys, so this is the pool area here. You know, you have 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, and 6 feet. But you can see because it was raining. As you can see, the water is literally full up to the top. Wow. Right now I feel like swimming, but not now. It's wet time. Wow, so nice. So, oh guys, just check out the view. Imagine when you're here in the night, you're seeing all that views up on the hills. So in the night, just imagine around here stay. Nice. So as you can see, that's the almond tree. Look how big that almond tree is, you know. Just look how nice this place is, guys. It's really nice, you know, the pool area here, you know, beautiful. Pablo, you know, I'm definitely going to enjoy that 2 days. I can't wait to go and speak to them and said, yes, Pablo sent me here, you know, and then I will literally choose a day when I'm going to stay here, you know. So guys, you know, the thing goes already. That's why, remember, oh, it's been raining. So let me say, whenever it's raining, it's a blessing. So that's why the rain bring this blessing. So that's why I'm here now getting this blessing because of the rain. Right? That's it. So let me show you some more. So guys, as I said, this is more room upstairs there. The sitting area right here, you can sit right along the pool. You know, if you want, you know, to enjoy, you know. So you have the big house system and everything. So like it. Nice. I like it. 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 So let me show you some more. I walk around the next side. So you have outside seat. You know, everything is being wet now. So over here is where they got the restaurant. Also, you got changing room here if you want to use the pool and everything. Here is where you get your food cooked and all of that. Whoa. So here is also part of we can come and dine outside as well too. Hello, what going? You remember I and I? You remember I and I? Oh no, should have remember me. I heat up here already. You're the one that served me when I was sitting over there, and the bird was shitting down almost on me. Remember? Remember? Okay. So this part here, is it the same section as this building? Okay. Okay, because I know I'm a YouTuber and I'm staying here, so I'm just checking out the place while I'm here. You know? So what's this side called? What's here called?
The pub.
The pub. Oh, so this is the pub. And the restaurant, what's the name of the restaurant?
Secret Garden Restaurant.
Secret Garden. So the big up yourself. What's it there? So we have found the house in the bed. Yes, so she's the one going to take care of you when you come here to eat, right?
Yeah.
So what's it?
Chevanese.
Chevanese. You look nice and pretty for the camera. So big up Chevanese. So Chevanese, you can check me out on YouTube. Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, so you can see yourself as well too. You know, so this is the pub area. So you can dine outside here as well if you want, right, Chevanese?
Yes.
Okay.
Inside the bar.
And inside the bar. Wow, I'm gonna show them, you know, because I'm highlighting the place. So go on YouTube, let me show you. Yes, and I like the pub sitting area. It's so nice, guys. Look at this. You know, it's so nice. You got TV outside, you know. I like the artwork. You have a little piano here. Hey, we can play one song, you know. I'm sure we can play. Hey, El Shaddai. Right? Picking up signal K-I-N-O.
K-I-N-O.
Yeah, K-I-N-O. It says Kino Life in Jamaica. Life. Yeah. So it's not live, it's life. Like your life. And you see. So guys, so this is the pub sitting area. So how many pubs you have? You have another pub over there? Is that another pub as well to over there? Is the same connection or different?
Same.
Okay. So what's the name for that one over there?
The same pub.
Oh, the same pub. So pub come all the way across.
Yeah, and the room to the back.
And run to the back. Oh, where the pool area is. Good. Yeah, so that's it, man. So you're gonna see when it come out. Nice. And they got also got a big fish aquarium here. Where they got fishes as well too. So that's it, the pub. So that's the bar inside. They call it pub. Let me show you inside the pub. Okay. This is the pub. Hello. So it's got, so over here it's got another, the same thing, the pub. Appleton Estate over there. Quite nice. You know, it's very, very quite nice. As you can see the pub, and above the pub you have also have rooms as well too. Over here you got rooms also. You know, quite interesting. Quite interesting, guys. Look at the place, it's so green and nice. You know. Rooms there as well, and rooms over here. So remember, you guys, I always get a lot of phone calls that said I should check out spots for whenever they want to come Jamaica. So here's a spot where you can also check out as well too. It's called Mayfair. You can Google it, you know, and you will see it come up. You know, the guy told me the name of the road. I need to get the name of the area that this place is located. But it's, I think you have the embassy, you have Canadian embassy outside there as well too. You have Canadian embassy outside the area as well too. Wow, look at this bicycle. Barely doesn't work. So more rooms. More blessings, my general. Sorry to bother you. What's the name of this area?
Tell a brother there's Axim Garden.
Okay.
My right now.
Alright, my general. So I go and highlight the place, you know. So what's the name of this area really?
4 West Kings House.
4 West Kings House Close. And out there so you have Kings House Road. Kings House Drive right there. Okay, so this is the close, Kings House Close and Kings House Drive out there, and the main road is West Kings House Road where the Canadian embassy is. Alright, then big up. So I must go and walk the area like, you know, because I'm staying here, so I must go and walk and see what the area is like. Here? What the I name? Veral. Big up yourself, Veral. You have a footballer name. You have a footballer name.
Yours?
Yeah? Kino. Okay. Kino. You can check me out on YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica. Yeah? Kino Life.
Kino?
Yeah, Life. Yeah, Life. Life.
Life.
Yeah. In Jamaica. I see everything while I go on. Right. Nice place, you know, Mayfair Hotel. So guys, I'm saying you can check out Mayfair Hotel. You know, just check it out on the Google and you will find it. Alright, yeah, I'm still come back. So alright guys, so everything is already sorted. You know, I got everything sorted. I spoke to them, you know, and I put my name down, and them say whenever I choose to stay I should call them, or I could come in and then give them the date. You know, if the date is available, I will literally get the stay. You know, Pablo, thank you so much, Pablo. You know, guys, I want to help me thank Pablo so much for these 2 extra days. I don't know when I'm gonna stake it, but it's there for whenever I want it. You know, so Pablo, thank you so much for that, brother. You know, Pablo is who's also our extended family. Pablo, thank you so much, you know, for considering giving me those 2 days. Well, you know me as a man love pool, you know. Hey, as I said, it was raining, and the rain is a blessing. And I thank you so much for this blessing. It is a blessing, so we give thanks for the blessing. So I'm gonna walk the area and show you a bit. So it's West Kings. So this is West Kings Road, literally outside here. You know, it says off West Kings House Drive. So this is West Kings House Drive that I'm on right now, and this is West Kings House Road. Literally nice area, you know, nice area. And you also have the Canadian Embassy over there as well too. Okay, so everything is close by. So you can come out the Airbnb and you can walk on this road if you want to stretch your legs. You can also do so. So as you can see, the place is getting dark, you know, so the rain literally stopped for now, but the sky is really dark, so you know we're gonna expect more rain, you know, more rain. And they say it's gonna rain for the whole weekend, so let's wait and see if it's literally gonna rain for the whole weekend, you know. Over there you have the Canadian Embassy. So you know, so the Canadian Embassy, Canada, you know, say soon and very soon, when the Almighty says it's time, it is time. Because that's who I work with, the Almighty, right? I work with the Almighty, guys, so I give thanks. So here's the Canadian Embassy over there. There's a lot of people say, you know, when you come into Canada, when the Almighty says so, right? So here's the Canadian Embassy over there. That's it over there. Oh, this Ethiopia Life Herb House. Herb House. The order they come. 10A. What's in here? Herb House Cafe Express Parking. What's in here? Hello? Two-tier on Herb House Cafe Express Parking. Alright, son, I'll check it out next time. I'll check it out next time. So let me just show you the areas. So as I was saying, the order they come, Jimmy Cliff up there. So that's the Canadian Embassy over there to my left. One day, one day, one day. One day, one day, one day. One day, one day, one day. Okay. You know, as I'm here, Fontana is right across the road, so I'm gonna walk over to Fontana as well to get myself a swim shoe. Okay, I know in Fontana is also they sell swim shoe as well too. Huh?
Enough respect, yeah, my G.
You say you're the washer?
Fully, man.
Yeah, right?
Man, you know, drive the car coming in the traffic, you wash it here.
No.
How the video go? Barry?
Yeah, Barry.
Yeah.
So the way.
Good note, yeah.
Yes, I'll find it. So big up yourself.
Yeah, man. One Jubidan. God bless, you know. We out there.
I go and do the work. At least you're not doing no crime.
True, man. It's rough out here, but we still at it. We get help, man.
Yes, sir.
See, the soul come off on the road. Right time, baby. You see me?
Just keep trying, you know. Honest bread you do, you know.
For real,
It's
man.
an honest bread. At least you not do anything illegal when nobody go try to hunt you down to take your life, you know.
For real.
At least today you're trying to ends meet, you know. And just continue saying, have faith, have faith. Once you have faith, everything is possible. Yeah? Have faith, man. You look quite young still.
Yeah, man, 23.
23, young still, man. The future still bright, yeah?
Still better, for real.
Don't feel like so you said stop for you.
True, man.
Yeah, just a start, a destination where you're gonna move off from. Yeah? Remember, I'm gonna say have faith, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm trying to bless up.
Yeah, man. So, okay, you have Fontana across the road over here. Alright, so have faith. It's a Canadian Embassy over there. Fontana, green. Fontana, Fontana, Fontana. I guess this is Barbican Road. We're on Barbican Road. Yes, I think, yeah. So this is Barbican Road that I'm on. So over here we got Fontana. So we have Fontana here. Fontana Pharmacy. So this is literally a big one. They also have Starbucks. You have the machine over there. You have Wendy's, if you like Wendy's. So let's take you inside Fontana to go get myself a swim shoe. I need my swim shoes. Entrance. Wow. Quite nice. Go up the escalator. Wow, Fontana has some nice stuff in here. Very nice. So let me see where is the swim shoes at. Okay, here they are. Swim shoe. Jamaica, Jamaica. So you know my size already. Jamaica, one love. Nine. Alright, so let me try this. So I'm gonna try this one. Like this one. Say Jamaica one love. So I'm gonna try this one. I see. I grabbed these one, guys. I don't know. Tell me if you like it. I like it. It says Jamaica one love. So this is the one that I just took. You know, so Jamaica one love. So this cheap. It's $1,500 Jamaican dollars. So it's quite reasonable as well for a swim shoe. So I'm gonna pay for these now and then head out. So it's quite nice though. Very nice. It's fit nice, fit comfortable. and everything. So I guess it will work, right? I guess it will work. So this is whenever I'm going to the river or the beach, you know, because I cannot take the stones on my feet. So I'm going to pay for this, and then what I'm going to do, I'm literally going to go back to the Mayfair. I'm going to try out their food, you know, while I come here, try out their food and see at Julie Mangoes and see what it's really like. So I'm definitely going to tell you what is going on. You're going to see, because I'm going to try out their food at Julie Mangoes, so you can literally know if it really is nice, right? So let me go downstairs to go and pay for it. Quick thing. That? Oh, saying this alright?
Oh, alright.
Done. Yeah. Very good. So everything is checked and stamped out. You know, you have to come out under checks. You can't just come out like that. So you're going to be under checks, check 24/7. So everything is sorted now. Yes, I'm going to go back to Mayfair, order myself a nice dish, and see what it's like over there. You know, at Julie Mangoes. I'm try out Julie Mangoes today. So. Yes, guys, I remember I was saying about my last swim shoe. I don't know where is my last swim shoe. I left it somewhere. I remember when I was in Treasure Beach, I was saying the same thing. I said, where's my swim shoe? So I don't know where I left it. So that's why I need to get back one quick and fast. You know, and I love that one so much because it was gifted to me by an excellent family, you know, and I did love that so much, you know, I love it so much. I know I miss it. I messed up. I'm so sorry I lost it. So sorry. So it cost me now to go and get one. But never mind. Alright guys, so tell them so I'm gonna be back. You know, to try the food. Alright, camera. Yes guys, so I told them I'm gonna be back to try the food, and so I'll go on, you know, see for the number one or the number few. So let's see the truth. Right? So I'm gonna try and see what I'll go on. Even the drink I'm gonna try this, I'm gonna check the menu and see what you have, alright? Alright. So, moments of truth. Cameron. Blessed man, all is well? Where's that? Yeah, because of appearing. Yeah, all it. Yeah. Okay, so you sick with themselves for the whole weekend, so I don't know. Yeah, all weekend. So, let's see you on the morning stay then. Yeah? So, what does about the Julie Mango special? You have it in a fish or whatsoever? What's this?
One in fish.
So, I swear we met you the last time.
Come to it, look familiar.
I told me someone come and try it out.
What's the say one now?
Well, you know the place named Julie Mango. Someone know what's special about the Julie Mango special. So,
Julie Mango special.
Yeah.
They're very special. You want a whole fish, you can get a whole fish.
yeah.
Escovitch or stew,
Okay.
steamed fish, bami, whatever.
You get rice and peas as well?
No, and also rice and peas.
On the rice and peas?
Only like Independence Day.
Okay, so you do rice and
Conservation Day,
peas.
that's what I mean.
Okay.
I'm going to show you a couple of things. So you can see we have an extensive menu. From the light bites, appetizers. Aki is a very popular one.
Aki.
Express green plantain with seasoned aki.
First me about Aki.
Yeah. Stamp and go, calendar or saltfish stamp and go. Probably stick out. Bring your sandwiches and wraps, depending on how hungry you are.
Yeah, well.
You want to get out some real food.
How big the fish is? If I get steamed fish.
Decent size fish.
Decent size. And you get bami with it and them stuff, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I gotta try
And
this.
a nice steamed fish?
Yeah, want a nice steamed fish. You know, one of the viewers them to the nice steamed fish, you know, with everything in it.
Alright, no problem.
Right?
I got you.
Yeah, so you got me, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, guys, him got me, you know, him say him got me, so him say him got me, so I'm gonna say I get a nice steamed fish, you know, with all of this ray and tay them inside of it. So what the steamed fish is gonna say. Well, guys, so look at this. So this is steamed fish right here. So you have the bami, well decorated, carrot okra. And the carrot okra, you can see the seasoning and one with a ray and tay. It's a decoration here. Well, moments of truth. Well, it look good so far. So, let's see what I've done. Yeah, looking good, man. I like the presentation. Looking really good. Yeah, it looks really good. Well, let me show you again, guys. Look, presentation looking good. Yeah. Big boss, presentation looking good, you know?
Excellent.
Yeah. But I like shark, you know?
Like shark?
Yeah, so
and
it's big, so, you know?
Those are right for the perfect. I have to come back.
I have to come back.
Never get to taste everything. So going through.
So
and this is some other stuff on the menu that you will like. So next time we'll set you up
So,
with
so
something
you
else.
set me up for combat now.
Have to.
Appetizer this you sell me. Eh? You know I'm belly full, you know the appetizer. Alright. Then the crackers. Onto the right. The man him set me up with the appetizer. You know? So him say I'm gonna come back. So let me tell you so I'll go on. Because then I say I like the presentation of it. You know, it's no joke. I like the look. So this is the Afi comeback. So the man give me the Afi comeback. Afi comeback. He say me Afi comeback. This is the carrot. Tasting good so far. Bami. So the barbecue is good as well. Let me taste the fish. And let me make my apple come back. To be honest, it have a nice texture, it have a nice taste, you know. Food, it does taste good. Alright, then come to beat me up earlier, friend. Literally, but yes, not gonna lie, it tastes good. To be honest, it tastes good. Smooth. Yeah, it really do taste good. But definitely taste is good. It tastes as how it look. It tastes exactly as how it looks. No joke. So just comment if your mouth around water. Okay? It tastes good, but I'm gonna enjoy now, so we'll get back to you. So even with the fish, it's not over seasoned, it's not overcooked, you know. The fish does taste good, to be honest. Yeah. So when they were saying here is the #1 spot, up there number 2, I believe so. Because it really tastes good, you know. But I want the fish bigger next time. I want a shark, big like a shark. You understand? Vegetable as well too is not overcooked. It have the crunch in it, you know, that's what we like. You don't want it to overcook, so it loses all the texture, all the nutrient from it. So this is not overcooked neither. The fish itself is not overcooked neither. So it really are going with the things. Julie mango. You know? Even though I rather East Indian mango. Guys, you know me for talk the things them, you know?
Yeah.
She did correct.
Oh.
It didn't go on. She is our #1.
Okay.
You know, no question, you know.
Yes. You never tell no lie, you never sell no lie.
Them give me a teaser though. You know, the taste good them want to come back. You know,
Right.
the fish done already I'm never started.
In the touch of the
No. So that's a low right now. Once I want a shark. You know,
next time.
Yes, I want a shark, but trust me guys, yes.
What about the fish you don't tell about the shark?
Yes, of course. But trust me, Julie Manga go with things. You know? We give them props, you know. Fish tastes good, but not overcook, you know. Everything crunchy and nice here, man. The season right, not over season, not nice, you know. Them know them thing, and they know them thing, you know. But one belly full, one a teaser. I'm gonna eat KFC. I'm vegetarian. Yeah. So you know, so that's yeah. So next time I cook. Yeah. I'm like the way you know the preparation to prepare it. I like that as well. So next time I come by, I'm going to show me the fish so I can choose.
No, but that ship out of shark.
Yeah.
That was like just for you.
Alright then, so even so, because she put a shark too. Alright, it's lovely, yeah? Yeah man, thank you. So Wadam Sheldon. All the boy them a ball for murder. Look at that. Sheldon. Jesus crime. Lord of mercy on this fish. The way the fish eat so good, boy, I mean I eat it twice, but teaser. But look guys, as you can see, everything is shelled down. If you find one meat pan bone, right, this is all a skeleton left. This is what a skeleton look like. See there? Nothing. So damn. Bone crusher. Bone crusher. Hey. The only way I live with a fisherman is grimy. You know? Look, find a piece of meat left. Trust me, Julie mango. The children of the East Indian mango. Tougher thing, the bad. Nah, still I eat. Nah, like the food tastes good. It does taste good, so you know they're going to see me back again. For sure. They're going to see me back again. Thing I go on.
Told you.
Never shy away.
Not because we work here.
Boss. Thing I go on, you know. You tricked me.
Let's go back.
It was sharp next time.
Yeah. So, I want to come back. So the Julie mango, they have to come back. Them have to come back. They eat one time, they say you have to come back. They have to come back. Facts. Yeah, definitely I'm going to come back and get this so I go, you know? And be correct. Nah, like. Excellent, you know? So next time I choose. So here I eat cream crackers. I don't get this.
So I'm hungry.
You know,
I'm feeling gassy.
yeah.
So I drink some tea and eat some crackers.
And some crackers.
That's the gas.
I don't know if that Julie mango I eat crackers. I don't understand that.
And the gas man.
So what kind of sauce that you have it with now?
It's a mayo.
Oh,
Mayo and herb.
Mayo and herb. And the chef that?
Yeah man, 1 hour chef.
Top chef. The top chef?
1 hour chef.
One of our top chef.
I do the fish? No. And I'm still big up, see me. What the fish generally?
Kevin.
Alright, Kevin Afar. What do you think of the chef them, man? So the chef them well clean, so you know say star clean. Shirt white, well dressed. Clean. There. Oh, seafood general.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. I saw the food body. I said Jesus Christ. Yeah, big chef now like the food tastes good.
Respect the general.
You know, the first me I tried, the boss tell me about it already, you know. And the ladies them tell me say, yo, you have to try Julie mango, so I go on, and I tell them. So I make the thing I go on.
Yeah.
You know everything?
Yeah man.
Sit down, I want to make Julie mango.
Engine.
Yeah.
You know, so they made painting for the car.
Yeah.
They're not really.
Decoration.
Yeah, them decoration.
They're not really a neat thing, a wheel arch.
Yeah. But like,
We're the front line.
Yeah, wheel arch.
We're the one at the back.
Wheel arch,
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
wheel arch, I mean,
We put that.
engine with the car. I wait to get a chef.
yeah, of course, we think chocolate. Because for you see the chef in a film, I don't know what time it is, you know. You see me? But now, like I say, the thing, you know, overcook everything that's right. You know, the only thing I want a sharp next time. You know, that little teaser thing that when I get it right, kind of cost for more for buy again.
Should have a kind of balance with the diet kind of here, so they don't want big fish thing.
Yeah, but me used to the full belly thing. You know what I'm saying? But it tastes good. You have to spend more. You see me? Not lie. You know, but I have to hold it. You know, even the bami, stylish. You know, you make it bami so stylish, man. The big round, you know, like a dumpling. I see what dumpling me get, you know, look at bami. Think of a nice round caramel dumpling me get. Yes, I realize that the bami me I get. I say yes, the bami even nice as well. Everything right, man. You know. Nah lie. See me. And I hope whenever people come here, them have to come check out Julie Mango, aka the East Indian Mango. Oh yes, no East Indian. Alright. Which mango you're right? Julie or East Indian? Julie.
I'm my favorite mango.
You Julie or East Indian? To be honest.
Be honest, East Indian. No, you can't.
Yeah. The man, no. You see, not because he work at Julie Mango, I say Julie, you know.
Julie Mango is second.
Yeah. Who's your favorite? So you have to work at the right place too.
Julie is our traditional
mango, exactly.
East Indian is a more
West, yes.
West Indies.
Yes, a West Indies.
But originally.
Yeah, Jamaican thing. I get you. Yes. Hey. And true. Yeah.
I'm not playing a hypocrite. East Indian.
East Indian. East Indian's nice, you know, the sweet, even sweeter than Julie. But you know why Julie kind of tastes good now because the food in here, so now. So you know what, Indians are going to sell the Julie Mango now. You know, when people really want to try Julie Mango. Julie all the way. So what you say about Blackie?
Blackie,
Oh God, no. What you say about Blackie Mango? Big Boss. You do? Alright, Big Boss. East Indian Mango or Julie Mango? Julie. Jesus Christ. Not because I told you. Alright, Black hair Julie. Jesus. Julie. Over Blackie?
Julie.
Eh.
No, it's a different still. It's a tight margin.
Tight, very tight.
The Julie just have the ink over Blackie because the two of them sweet, you know, but
yeah.
The Julie fleshy, more big.
Yeah. Okay.
Blackie now, I tell you bite it 2 times. It done.
All the skin you eat, man, everything you whop off 1 time. Yeah,
Why?
Oh, you can. But Julie not known for its skin. Yeah, Julie brag. But at least you have one East Indian, you know, so.
No, in my friend, I get hypocrite. I'm hypocrite.
East Indian is the favorite mango, but you're going to have to look at whenever you see it, I'll say, man, I feel like that.
Kind of tricky still, you know.
That's what greatest mango.
No, man, I really got to like Julie Mango.
You can't compare the two because they are
understand.
Okay. East Indian and Caribbean then.
Man, I eat Julie.
Okay, man, I eat Julie, right? So what you eat? Say eat East Indian.
No.
Say eat. And I eat, you know, and I eat Julie what you eat East Indian. You eat Indian.
I'm favorite mango, serious, Julie mango.
Okay, yeah, the man pissed off himself right now. Yeah.
okay.
My preference, Julie.
Alright.
Second preference.
Yeah. So we have a 3-2-1 right here, you know?
They're called Bambi. I don't know if you know the Bambi.
Yeah, the big old one there. But I like Bambi.
Take out the middle part.
Yeah.
Throw some condensed milk in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you kind of stir it a little.
Yeah.
Kind of, you know, cream it out a little.
So I a chef, you know? So I a chef, you know? Yes, I'm boy. So I a chef, man, you know? That style I first me about that one day. Yeah. Bambi with the condensed milk and thing. So I a chef. Chef, man, can't you? Okay.
Them the mango have a juice.
He like eating that black pepper salad. What?
I am not eating black pepper salad. What's the
It's
turn on?
Bombay, it's a sour. After aftertaste. Nothing else in Bombay about sour. After you go to the seed, you have to get sour. So when me do, me like eat it with black pepper and salad.
So you eat with black pepper salad.
Different thing in Ghana.
Chef them know what I go on, man.
So you prefer eating with black pepper salad?
Eat it raw. Why?
Black pepper and salad.
After something you have a choice, we are choosing for prefer eating with black pepper salad.
Yeah.
We are choosing.
Yeah, pick up on yourself and continue the good work, same, you know. Yeah, man, and keep all on the place, same, you know. It is general. Big up yourself, East Indian. Yeah? Yeah. East Indian. I mean, him saying don't eat Julian, eat East Indian.
The country, you prefer the food.
Eat the country. Hey. Yes, guys, I said the food was top, you know. The chef them make it work. See them they own it, so top chef them, you know, food bad. You know, can't complain. You know, belly full after all still, you know, because the band kind of hold it up, see them, you know, no, it's not. Now eat everything country. Yeah. That's the way, nothing not overcooked. The fish not mash out, just light off like, you know, right.
What was the presentation?
Good. Yeah.
Concept and everything.
So the presentation was good. You know, I like the idea when they tomato, with the lettuce, musical flowers, Fontana. You know, and I said, yo, when I have time, I want to say, no, well creative, you know. I know what that sell is presentation, you know. Stop.
Yeah, because people eat with them high.
Food don't finish cook at when it stove turn off.
No.
Finish cook when everything lay on the plate.
Yeah.
Ready to serve.
Yes, presentation. That is it. When everything presentable, I look upon it and say, yo, man, try that spot there, I'm gonna try it first and try it, but everything look good.
You're the customer, you eat with the eye.
Yes.
The eye first, sit up,
we eat with it.
and then the eye correspond
to the brain until they say, yo, and taste buds start to want to try this.
and the nose now start smelling
Smell.
everything now. So when you eat it now, it just easier bite. Because everything already register what is to come.
What is to come?
Food science.
Yeah, you see that? That's why I'm not bad, so, you know, food science. You know.
See the food first, and then I smell it.
After food scientist, them, you know. When in the lab, I go and do the thing, right? Alright, big up with the name? Rowan. Kino.
Kevin.
Yeah, so channel name Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life.
In Jamaica.
Instagram.
On YouTube. Yeah, so anyone go see this on YouTube and so on, so can hear the recommendation. Yeah, so let's go on the phone. Them subscribe already, so them I go see it and tell them.
Subscribe.
The ladies them subscribe. Show them so them can see it.
So this is like, you know, you have upload later.
To upload, edit and upload, and now you go see the thing crispy and look good, you know. I go so hard, man.
One Julie Mango, you know.
Alright, 1 Julie Mango,
Place to be.
2 Julie Mango, 3 Julie Mango, and 1 East Indian, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I eat that.
You don't upload it?
No.
Just man, send up edit it.
I edit it.
This way, man, I feel like
Tomorrow I'm gonna see it.
Julie Mango, go like Julie Mango,
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna see it. It might soon itself as thumbnail too.
Yeah, that's all.
I see themselves as thumbnail, the ladies, I'm gonna see themselves as a thumbnail. Right on the front, next one I'm gonna see it. Right on the front.
Where can click?
Click on the channel.
You don't really have your phone and because you have next set.
You know, so.
Where you come and find some people?
So,
Man, show me something.
You know what?
let's go.
You can enjoy the rest of your night.
Thank you so much. from that, you know. After all, the belly is full, literally. So, I'm good. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.